A lemon tart is a true summer dessert. It's zesty but sweet, and topped off with a meringue, it's absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make this. As usual, ingredients in the description below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start by making the lemon curd or the custard. To a bowl, add in 1 whole egg as well as the yolk of another egg. The extra yolk is going to give the custard a richness, but keep the egg white that you would have set aside, as you can use that to make a meringue. Now add in your caster sugar, ideally caster sugar as it's easier to dissolve, and whisk away until you have a smooth paste. Over low to medium heat, add in the juice of a lemon. Sieve it just to make sure you get rid of any pulp and bring it to a simmer. Take your heated lemon juice and while whisking continuously, add in your lemon juice to your egg mixture. It is important that you keep whisking as this will prevent the eggs from cooking. Once you have thoroughly mixed the lemon juice into your egg mixture, add in the whole mixture back to the pan over low heat. And then turn off the heat and add in cold butter to your pan and continue to whisk away. Your butter will melt over the residual heat of your egg mixture, but then it will thicken as you continue to mix. Once you have reached the desired thickness, take your custard into a bowl and place a film over your custard. This will prevent any skin from forming above the surface. Chill your custard for an hour, but ideally overnight. The butter will become hard again and you will have a much thicker custard. In the meantime, we can make the egg meringue. So add your egg whites to your stand mixer and whisk until you get a foamy consistency. While that's mixing, heat sugar and water over medium heat to make a sugar syrup that you're going to add to your meringue. Once your syrup is ready, start your stand mixer and slowly add your syrup using the edge of the bowl. This will help the syrup not directly hitting the egg whites and end up cooking them. Once your syrup is thoroughly mixed, put your mixer on medium to high speed and let that whisk for at least 10 minutes. Your meringue will be ready once you have a very thick consistency like this. You should see soft peaks when you move your whisk away. I have refrigerated my custard overnight. You can see that the butter has hardened and made the custard quite thick, which is the consistency that you want in a lemon tart. I'm using these homemade tartlets, which are basically very small tarts, but you can also use this recipe to make a regular lemon tart. Whatever case you're going to use, fill your tart with a spoon and get a nice layer in, making sure that you fill it right through, but not so much that it is sticking out. Add your meringue into a piping bag and pipe some swirls or whatever pattern you want on top of your tart or your tartlets. Then using a kitchen torch, you want to flame your meringue very slightly, not sticking too long into one spot to get a nice toasted meringue. And there you go friends, this was my very easy recipe for a lemon